Good morning, happy homeowners. Beautiful morning here in Riverside. Let's go inside and look at this beautiful floor they're just finishing up. They were yelling at me. Do the video, Brian. Jim, I'm coming in. This is the man. This is the man. Woo, let me turn this back around.
I
love this guy.
I'm not actually the man, but I do work for
You work for the
man.
man. This is the guy. Ooh, look at this thing. There we go.
Your shoes. Take your shoes
Take
off.
your shoes off. You guys are beating me up. Do the video.
There you go.
Man, this thing looks good.
Yeah, you need it. You have cataracts?
Wow. I love this fireplace. Where they picture framed it around. That's called the log cabin. Instead of doing 45s, they do one over the lap and over the other. That's the log cabin style. My favorite. Got some urine stains that didn't come out, but we stained it to kind of blend them in. Man, what a difference. What a difference. Next door is just as beautiful. All right, guys, any questions? Reach out to us. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors? Reach out to us. Have a great day.